Hello guys, girls, Triple R Box Breaks here doing a review of my mail day. What we get. This one is from Bambino. Yeah. Bonus, it says something about bonus. These are just like prisms. This is Chad Billingsley. It's autoed. I think this is from Upper Deck 2008. I'm gonna start collecting the R's, my name. Let's see. This is from another Breakers, I think. Jason Tatum. And it's from a break. Next one. Let's see what we get. I had a lot of backup stuff from when I joined and bought things. This is Edwin Encarnacion. This one, so it's gonna be Triple R. I'm gonna spell all my names, guys, so I'm gonna be getting a lot of letters because I have long names. It's another mail day. The Hank Aaron's, you know, I give them out, and I'm currently gonna give one of the Hank Aaron's. I don't know which one yet, but you know, guys, Pesner was the last winner of the last Hank Aaron I gave away. Just comment, like my videos, and stay as a subscriber, and you win free giveaways. I'm expecting my new shipment of Heritage. I bought 3 boxes, so these aren't Buster Posey. This one I just got it because it was in the lot, but what I was looking for is right here. And with this one. How does that look, guys? Triple R 28. Let's go this way. Red, white, and blue. Triple R 28. Triple R Box Breaks. Thanks for watching, guys. That was my mail day. Keep liking, subscribing to my videos. Watch them. I'm going to be giving away one of the Hank Aaron's. And thanks for watching, guys.